how to create a Deezer account. So if you want to create a Deezer account, then first of all open up your Deezer application. So if you have not installed the application yet, then you can go to your Play Store and go for the search bar and search for Deezer, and here you will have the application. You can install it from here, and after installing, tap on open. And now to sign up, you can sign up with your Google or you can also sign up with your Facebook, but I'll be choosing email. You can also go for continue with email, and then enter your email address and tap on continue. And here you need to create a password. So your password must be at least 8 characters. So simply enter a strong password and then tap on continue. And now you need to choose your username. And after entering your username, tap on continue. And you need to enter your age and then tap on continue and choose your gender and tap on create my account. And now you can go for premium or you can go for the free version. Tap on try for free. So that's it. That's how you create your Deezer account. And now you can simply choose a plan and then you can start using your Deezer. So that's it. That's how you create your Deezer account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.